Welcome everyone to BCC Art Studio. I'm Billy, and today I'm going to show you how I do my glow-in-the-dark projects. So most of the time, if you try to paint your glow-in-the-dark paints, you have to apply it at least 3-4 times, and you really can't see it. So I'm going to show you how I did mine. Still needs another coat of resin, but I'm going to show you an easier way of how to do this. So this is part of Friday with Friends. Before me, you would have seen Mary Kirk from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, and before her you would have seen Bill Robertson from Robertson Art, and Patty before Bill, which is Let's Pour with Patty. So before we get started, you're going to need whatever project you're doing. You're going to need gel medium gloss premium, Montmartre, that's the one I use anyway, some mixing cups, some mixing sticks, and your glow-in-the-dark paint. Now I'm using whatever that is. Anyway, glow-in-the-dark paint. I got 10 different colors. And we will get started. Also, before I forget, you will also need your stencils. I have a little packet of stencils here that are all ocean, sea creatures, excuse me, turtles, sharks, more turtles, and so on. So the colors I will be using is orange, green, purple, blue, and yellow. So first off, you want to start with your gel. You don't need too much of this. So you want to take your little cup here and just put in a couple little scoops of the gel, enough to cover your stencil. And I think that'll probably be plenty, but just to be sure. And we will start off with the blue. So you want to shake your paint up really well. Make sure it's opened. I'm going to take my cover off. And we're going to put some of this in here. And this is a really easy way to do your glow-in-the-dark stuff if you're going to do glow-in-the-dark. Probably add a little more color. Alright, so I will be back when I mixed all of the other colors. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and taped off my stencils. Now, I want to move this up. So, I went ahead and I taped off my stencil. I'm going to tape it to the table here so nothing moves. Okay. Now, because I'm going to do a whale, I'm going to use the blue. So you just want to spread this on here as evenly as possible, filling in all the gaps. So once you have it filled in, you can set that off to the side and slowly hold down your stencil and slowly peel off your tape. Grab one of the corners and just slowly lift away from your stencil or your project. So there is the whale. I'm going to set that off to the side and let that dry. And I'm going to do one more for you, and then I will do the rest off the camera. Move these out of the way. So I have my seahorses. So I'm thinking I want to do multiple colors on the seahorses. So I'm going to start off with the purple. All right. Remove your tape slowly and carefully. Try not to lift your stencil. Alright, and lift your stencil slowly without crinkling it. And there you go. There is another one. So we will let that dry. I will do the rest off camera, and then I will show you the glow-in-the-dark results. So I am done stenciling all of my coasters. They are not dry yet, but I will take you in for a close-up, and then I will be back. Alright, so here is the turtle. Still wet. The seahorses. The fish, I want to say it is a clownfish, maybe? I don't know. The dolphins. And the whale. So we will be back when these are dry for some glow-in-the-dark results. So here's the whale, the seahorses, the dolphins, the turtle, and the fishy. All glow in the dark. Thank you for watching, and happy pouring.